Hey everybody, Mark here, going to do a quick video. Maybe somebody can help me out. I have a F250 6-liter diesel. Did a EGR delete as well as an oil cooler. Put everything back together. Crank no starts. Got the ScanGauge 2 as recommended. And I've been trying to diagnose the problem. But here we go. I'll turn the key on. And you see we have my IPR 14.8. Fickum sync's good, or Fickum power's good. Sync is off because I haven't turned the key on. And the ICP is at 0. So let's crank the key. And we got it turns on. My IPR drops to 14.8. My ICP goes up really high. I have a good sync, I have a good Fickum power, but wait, after a couple seconds, you will see pressure still building, and then the IPR drops to 33, and then I start having an issue. So here the engine. So what is happening? It's weird. I've already taken the IPR valve off and cleaned it, cleaned the screen. No debris in it. I am getting oil in my upper oil, filter. I've already opened up the. I'll go outside real quick. But I've already opened up the oil, and I'm getting oil. I've already opened up the fuel. I'm getting fuel. I have taken my ICP sensor right here off, and I do get a crank, and it does start. But I'm just still having a bunch of issues. If you guys could kind of reach out to me and give me an idea. Do I need to unplug my EGR sensor? I have that plugged in and turned upside down because I said the 05s. It can throw a code. Just give me some ideas, guys. I appreciate it.